Hello and welcome back to this channel. Good evening to all of you. Hope you are well. So in this video, we will discuss a job openings from Singapore. It's a latest job openings, and let's know what is the job openings, how to apply, and what is the basic requirements to apply for this job. Everything details we can discuss in this video. So if you have a dream to move abroad with a job, then keep watching this video till the end, and let's know what is the job openings and how to apply. So let's start. This is a multiple vacancies in Singapore, and basically oil and gas industry. So guys, if you have a previous experience in oil and gas industry in any positions listed below, then you can apply easily and you can get a job easily. So let's focus what is the position available. First, welding inspector. Second, instrument inspector. Third, NDT coordinators. Fourth, document controllers. Fifth, lifting supervisor. Sixth, piping supervisor. Seventh, mechanical inspector. Eighth, safety officers. Ninth, scaffold supervisors. So as you can see here, there are 9 types of positions or job openings. So all positions are related to oil and gas industry. So guys, if you have a proper qualifications and proper experience in the relevant field in the oil and gas industry, then you can apply easily. So let's know what is the salary. Salary will be negotiable as after you crack the interview. And overseas experience preferred. That means you if you have any international experience like Gulf country or Malaysia or any country, if you have experience, then you can get this job easily. So food, accommodation, transportation provided by the company. No passport accepted from these states belongs to India. So basically, these three states cannot be applied, and other states also can be applied for these positions. So let's know how to apply. You have to forward your CV, experience certificate, original passport, and photo to the given official address. This is a good things. You can visit directly to the office with your proper documents, and you can talk them, and after you confirmations and after you get a surety about the job, then you can proceed forward to this process. So first of all, I would like to tell you this is the official address in Mumbai. Please take your CV, experience certificate, original passport, and photo, and visit to the office in this below address. And also there have official email ID and contact numbers are listed here. You can get all these informations from the description below this video. So I would like to suggest you please collect this official address, official email ID, official contact number, and visit to the office and take your all documents are listed below, and talk them and attend the interview and crack the interview and proceed for the visa process, medical process, everything. Then you can move Singapore with a job. So if you feel any type of uh, wrong things or any problem, then you can back out, no problem. But first of all, you need to visit to the office and verify all the things. Of course you will get a positive information, then you can proceed forward to get a job in Singapore. So guys, this is a multiple vacancies, and I'd like to tell you this is a urgent vacancies. Don't be waste your time. You have to reach to the office in the below address as soon as possible. So in this urgent vacancies, there are 9 types of job available, and the industry is oil and gas industry. So salary will be negotiable, and food, accommodation, transportation will be provided by the company. And basically, these the candidates belong to these three states don't apply and don't go to the visit the office as they are mentioned below. I don't know what's the reason, but this is the information by this office. So you can ask them what is the reason, and other states can apply by this official address. So I hope you understand all the things. Still, if you have any questions, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give the answer. This is the urgent job vacancies. Don't waste your time. If you are really eligible for any of these positions, as per your experience, as per your certifications, as per your skills, as per your qualifications, if you are really eligible for this any of these positions, then you can apply easily to the given official email ID also, and contact number, and official address, all details right here. You can visit directly to the office, which is better option. So I hope you share this information to all of your friends and relatives and the candidates who really want to move abroad with his job. And if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give you the answers. So guys, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Please share this information, and in the next video I will try to give you the information regarding abroad job from other countries. And up to that, stay with this channel, check each and every video, apply as soon as possible as per your experience and qualifications. Try to attend the interview. One day you will get success, that's 100% sure. So again, lots of thanks for your valuable time. Best of luck. Goodbye.